There's almost nothing dirtier and harder to clean than the nooks and crannies of your vehicle's cup holders. Trap spills and eliminate the hassle of cleanup with WeatherTech's CarCoasters. Let's take a closer look. CarCoasters are removable cup holder protectors that are made from the same highly durable material as our all-weather floor mats. They're designed to catch and contain spills and crumbs, as well as pesky dust and lint. The deep cup shape with added sidewall protection provides complete coverage for most standard vehicle cup holders. They feature a unique texture and ribbed pattern that keeps your drink from getting stuck and raises it above any mess. Plus, CarCoasters feature tabs that make them easy to remove and rinse in the sink for a quick cleanup. They are also dishwasher safe for a more thorough clean. Designed and manufactured in America by WeatherTech, each pack of CarCoasters includes 2 large coasters and 2 small coasters. Protect your cup holders from hard-to-clean spills and messes with WeatherTech's CarCoasters.